Hello, today we're at Dräger in Blyth, the main manufacturing facility in the UK. Today we're joined by Becca. Becca, can you tell us a bit about yourself, please?
Yeah, of course. Hi, Rhys. I'm Rebecca Dodds. I'm the Portable Gas Detection Marketing Manager for UK and Ireland. I've been with Dräger now for about 2 years, but before that I've got about 11 years experience in gas detection.
So could you tell us a bit about Dräger, please?
Yeah, of course. Dräger are a safety business, so we are family owned. We're currently in our 5th generation of the family, and we've been operating for about 130 years now. We've got about 16,000 employees all across the globe.
Could you tell us a bit about the markets that you sell into?
Yeah, we operate across 2 divisions, so you've got the medical division and the safety division, and within that you've got sectors such as fire, utilities, oil and gas, defence and healthcare.
Perfect. Are you okay taking me for a tour?
Yeah, of course.
Perfect.
Follow me.